Greetings everyone from Piedmont Triad International Airport, the home of Carolina Aircraft. May K. Bueller here with a gorgeous G36 to tell you about. She's a 2007 beauty and she is gorgeous, in great condition, 60th anniversary special, air conditioning, G1000, fully integrated glass panel flight deck, so much to love. Let's take a look. So let's take a look at your engine. Teledyne Continental IO 550 300 horsepower engine, 1530 on the engine, airframe and prop since new. And your prop, as you can see, it's a 3-blade Hartzell prop and it's got de-ice. Now I'm sure you know at Carolina Aircraft we specialize in only the finest pre-owned prime condition Beechcraft Barons and Bonanzas, and this beautiful G36, she's a prime example. Now you have an airplane this beautiful, you're going to want to fly her places and show her off. 74 gallons of usable fuel, plenty of fuel to do just that, 900 to 1,000 nautical miles without a pit stop. The exterior is gorgeous. Matterhorn white with Aristo blue and charcoal striping in beautiful condition. 1,530 hours total time on the airframe since new. So easy to load our passengers and our things. Of course, the large double cargo doors that the Bonanza is famous for. And check out our interior. It's versatile, the way we can seat our passengers. Right now the seats are in the club seating configuration, but you know we can change that. Everybody can face forward if need be. And if we want to remove some seats in the back, we can easily do that. I don't need any tools. That's what I love about the Bonanza. There's a pin here. All I need to do is remove a pin, pick up the bar, and we're in business. So come on in and check out the interior, folks. It is in perfect condition. Beautiful Coldstream leather seats, gray carpet, beautiful sidewalls, the headliner, it all looks brand new. Executive writing desk, perfect, immaculate condition. We do have shoulder harnesses for everybody, 6-place intercom system, and up front we have sheepskin covers on the pilot and co-pilot seat. So let's check out your Garmin G1000 fully integrated glass panel flight deck. You have 2 Garmin Navcom GPSs with glide slope. Now they are IFR approved. Your PDF and MFD movie map, they are 10.4-inch high-resolution flight displays. You have an altitude heading and reference system on board, engine indication advisory system on the MFD or PFD. Your transponder is a Garmin with ADS-B traffic, XM weather. Now the weather data link is displayed on the MFD. ADS-B traffic, storm scope displayed on the MFD, TAWS-B. Your HSI, it's an EFIS displayed on the G1000. Your Autopilot is a Garmin GFC 700 flight control system with EFIS PFD and altitude pre-select. Features you will appreciate: dual flight controls, co-pilot brakes, factory air conditioning, standby altimeter and airspeed indicator, XM satellite weather and music, rosin sun visors. You have a second alternator BNC system, standby attitude indicator with backup power, and more. This 2007 G36, she's looking for a new home. Now you do need to know she is WAAS upgraded. You can see she is absolutely gorgeous. She's been pampered, in perfect condition, gorgeous paint, gorgeous interior. If I didn't know better, I think she was brand new. You do have factory air conditioning, of course, the G1000 fully integrated glass panel flight deck, absolutely beautiful. All right, you need to act fast if you're interested. We're at Carolina Aircraft. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. Bonanza School, it's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new, to you, G36. So give us a call. We look forward to meeting you. For Carolina Aircraft, I'm May K. Bueller. Thank you so much for watching.